Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to teach you how to draw a snake. But I'm not just going to do one snake because I'm going to do many snakes with different patterns. So first I'm going to do the zigzags. But I'm not going to colour in because otherwise some people are watching my channel, which are watching now. Please keep watching because I'm not going to colour in, and I'm not going to colour in because other people who are watching my channel, which is right now, they might not want to do the colours that I'm doing, so I'm just going to draw. Okay, so we're going to start with the head, right like this, and then the wavy, and then you can draw however long you want, but I'm just going to draw this one. It's pretty long. But then when you come back, you just connect it, like, have to do the same, like, so if your first line goes wavy, or, like, if your first line goes spiky, then your other line has to, like, join it with the other line. They want to make, like, a racetrack. Not a racetrack, but they want to make, like, so look. Like, dot, 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 if you do it like that. Then your next line has to be dot, 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 dot. Like that. So, okay, now let's start with the eyes. Just do a circle there, and then a circle there, and then colour in the out bit. And you can colour in the in bit, any colour you want, like the little circle bit over there. Because everyone's eyes are the same looking, because mine is blue. Look, if you look closely and clear, like if you look closely, you might see my eyes are blue. So everyone's eyes are different colours. So if you don't want to do the zigzag on the head, all you have to do to keep it on the body, is just draw a line there. Just draw a line connected from the head to the body and the tail. Just do a line there, happy face, and then you can start your pattern right by following that if you want to do zigzag patterns. This next one will be pretty cool. Mostly of you might want to do this one, I think. So let's do circles on it, like circles all across. Don't have to do one in each part. You can do two in one part and two in the other. Like. Okay, wait, we forgot something. We forgot the teeth. Even though they're not opening their mouth, I'm just gonna draw teeth coming out, like sticking out, like that. Like, that's how I want it to be. You don't have to do this part. You don't have to, but I want it, so I can do it. Okay, this next one might actually not look like it's a pattern, but when you colour in, you only need two colours. Because I'm gonna teach you how. Okay, so now I want to teach you, even though I'm still actually teaching you how to do this. I just wanted to tell you how patterns are as well. Patterns, they are something, like if there's something there, like if you're colouring in something and you have two colours, you colour in green in something and then the next one you do pink and then the next one you do green again and then the next one you do pink again. So that's a pattern. It's not just two times the same colour, like and then skip one and then the other ones and then skip. Not like that. It can't be just 4 spaces there. It has to be as long as you can get it to be. So, like, see that? This is my pattern. Like that. And this is not really a pattern, but it's still something you can do on your snake. And snakes don't have legs, so we're not going to do legs or any arms, because snakes don't have anything. They're just like slithers. They're just like this. They just move around slithering. Okay, and the next one, mostly if you don't want it, I think don't want to do this one, but I think some of you might want to do this one, but I think not a lot, but so here's the head, slithery body. That's fine, I just did that mistake, it's fine. It's fine if you do mistake, just keep on trying, because champions keep trying. And you don't have to do a lot of snakes on one sheet with different patterns, like I'm doing. You don't have to do that. You can just do one snake. You don't have to do 1 or 2. You can just do how many snakes you want on one page. You can do how many animals you want on how many pages you want. And I'm sorry that I haven't done a YouTube channel for a long time. It's just because I didn't have time. Okay, so this one's pattern is going to be just lines down like that. But the pattern in this one is when you colour it in, because then you just need 2 colours. So then go. So if you're blue and purple, so you go blue and then purple, blue and then purple, blue and then purple, blue and then purple. Keep on going until you get to the end. Okay? So let's just keep doing lines. Your lines can't touch each other. They can't touch each other. But if you do let them touch each other, it's fine, because just keep trying. Because you all heard I did say champions keep trying. There. And then with that one, I just need another eye and a mouth. That's like a tick. There we go. Okay. The next one won't have a pattern on it to draw. The only thing that can make this one a pattern is you just draw a normal snake without any patterns on. Remember, you don't have to do a patterned snake. You can just draw whatever snake you want. I'm just going to do a plain snake. A plain snake without any colour, without any patterns. Just a plain snake. Wait, there. I want to do these teeth. Yeah, that's what I like to do. Remember, you don't have to do these teeth sticking out. You don't have to. You can do it if you want. I'm doing it because I want to. Okay, let's start with my snake. If your snake is not that curvy, it's fine. Its body can be like zigzaggy, like this. Its body can be like that, but then you have to do the same thing, like that. Then you have to do that, even. This is a spiky snake. Spiky. The spiky ones, if you want to do one, it's going to be pretty hard to do your patterns on it if you want to, because if you want to do circles, it's going to be very hard. And if you want to do the zigzags, you're going to have to go like dut, 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 dut. So when you are up over there, you have to go down and then up there and then dut, 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 dut. And when you get to another edge, you just, when you get to like that, when you get to here and you go up, when you're up, okay, so when you're up to there, okay, so where you're up and you think your next part of your pattern, like on your zigzag pattern, if it's going to go down and you think you might get on the next line, like on the next straight line or corner bit, like the spiky bit, then that's fine, but you just have to make sure you keep in line with your pattern. So like this. You can if you're doing teeth, you can colour in your teeth black if you want. You know, you can colour in your animal however you want. You don't have to do it the right colour. You can do any colour you want, just have to do your best. It's not just champions keep trying and they don't try their best. They're like scribbling one time and then the next time they're just scribbling again and keep going. They have to try their best. Champions don't just keep trying. They try their best as well. Each time they're trying. Okay, so let's carry on with the normal snake. Okay. So you did see that I did do a mistake here, but that's fine. I'm not gonna like cross it off or something. I'm just gonna leave it and carry on with it. So let's do the line. Remember, this is just a plain snake. It doesn't have any patterns on, because some of you might not want to do patterns. And you don't have to do patterns, but you can if you want. I'm just showing you patterns, and if you can think of other patterns that I haven't done, then just do that pattern. And if you don't think you can do that pattern, then just comment down below. Okay, so this one just needs its face. Okay, you don't have to do the body wavy. Like this one. This one won't be wavy, it'll just be straight like that. You can do that if you want. Just draw your line and do whatever pattern you want. I'm just going to do like straight lines to here. And this is also a pattern you can do, but you don't have to do it. But on your plain snake, you just have to like, you don't have to do this, but you can if you want. You don't have to do this, but just do patterns on your plain snake from colour. But remember, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. And I'm just going to leave it there. So, one eye there, one eye there, one mouth there. There are some teeth. And that was already done. Snakes don't have any ears. But remember, you can draw a snake however you want. You don't have to draw it right. I'm just struggling to talk. I'm a chatterbox. I am a chatterbox. Okay, so I'm finished with my channel. So remember, keep trying and try your best, because champions keep trying and they always try their best. Champions don't just keep trying, they go scribble, 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 scribble again and keep on doing it. You have to try your best and keep going. Like, you have to keep trying and do your best, then you're a champion. Lots of people are not champions, but you know I am, because I do keep trying. If I do a mistake. But if it's like a competition for me, way, then if I do a mistake, I'm gonna have to leave it. There's not, like, if there's not gonna be any more left, then if I do a mistake, then I don't stop and that's enough I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna carry on, because I might do black on the next piece of the coloring bit, and black can cover any color. So if you do a color like pink, like any other color except black, even brown, whatever color you color in with, and if it's not black, then if you put black over that color, then it'll just be black. It won't mix to another color. But if there's light, but if you're using paint, this can happen. If you're using paint, if you mix light blue and you want the light blue to be darker, just add some black to it, black paint, and then it will make dark blue. But if you got light blue and you want to make it a tiny bit darker, then just put a tiny bit black there. But if you just put the black there, it won't just automatically come up. You have to mix the colors together. Okay, bye.